Hi, I'm Sarab Kapoor. I'm a chef, author, and a culinary consultant. Today I'll be making Spicy Semolina Loaf. This recipe is for people who want to quickly put it together. So let's get started. I'm going to mix some of these ingredients in this bowl. Start with some beaten yogurt, semolina. This is not roasted. Chopped coriander leaves, grated carrot, chopped green chilies, some boiled green peas, chopped French beans. And you can take any vegetables of your choice. Some chili powder, ginger paste, turmeric for a little bit of color. So we'll mix all these ingredients, adding a little bit of water. A little bit of salt. We'll leave this to rest for a few minutes. While this is resting, I'll do the tempering. Heat up some oil. You could even use ghee. As the oil is getting heated up, I'm going to throw in some cumin seeds, some mustard seeds. The oil should be heated. So once you put in the seeds, they start spluttering. I'll add this to our mixture. Along with this, I'm going to put in some soda bicarb. I've got a lined loaf pan here. You can make it in this loaf pan or a regular spring form cake tin, whichever shape you like. I'll sprinkle some sesame seeds. Now I'll pop this in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for about 25 minutes to 30 minutes. It's exactly like baking a cake. Our spiced semolina cake is out of the oven, cooled and ready for plating now. You can serve with any chutney or sauce of your choice. I've got some garlic chili chutney here, and it's always nice to garnish it with some greens. Do try this recipe and leave your comments below. I'll be back with many more vegetarian and vegan recipes. Do look out. My name is Chef Sarab Kapoor. See you soon.